Now, let's see how we can show and hide something based on the user role. So, for example, in my sidebar, I want to show and hide these links based on the user role. So, let's go to our project. First thing that I have to do is to go to my middleware and handle inertia request. In here, I have to pass all the user or user roles to the front end to all the pages. So for that, I will type permissions, and in here first I will check if the user is logged in or not, or check if the user is authenticated. Then on that case I will fetch all the user roles, so sorry, all the user permissions. So I will type give all permissions and I will plug the name of them, else just an empty array. That's it. Let's import the auth class also, auth. Now I can access all the permissions in my all the pages. So let's go to our components, and inside of my cyber.js, in here I can fetch the permissions using props of use page. So in here I will type the prop. Now I will create a variable with the name of permissions and set it to props dot permissions, the permissions that we get from the middleware. Now let's create a function in here to check the given permission is included in here or not. So for that, in here we have to type const can, and in here we need the permission from the user. So I will name it permission name, and I will check that permissions dot include the permission name. That's it. Now, whenever I use the can and give the permission name, it will check if it's included here, it will bring true, and if it's not there, it will return false. Now, let's use our can function. So, in here, in the students, we can use it. So, let's type can and give them up the permission name. So, for our students, its view is students, and in here just let's type, and I pass our pi inside this. So let's cut it from here and paste it inside this. Same thing we can do with the teachers and classes also. So let's copy this and paste it here, change it to view teachers, put this here. Let's do same thing for the classes as well. Copy and paste and change it to view classes. Now, if we go to our page, let's refresh. Now, all the sidebars links are gone except the dashboard, because we did not give any permission for the dashboard, and our user is the admin. So let's add our users are also in here. This is our user. Click save. Now all the links are here. Now let's remove some permission and see that it's showing or not. So let's go back to our role and admin role. In here click the permissions. So I don't want to give permission to the students, so I will remove all the permissions from the student side. So no need for these. Click save. Now as you guys can see, the student link is gone, but if I go and add those permissions back, save, the student link come back. Up to now, we have covered almost all the basic and essential parts of the Spatie roles and permission package. If you guys want to know more about this package, you guys can visit their website and see all the demos, all the examples from their website. So this is their website. You guys can visit it.